Hello, hello. This is the rollout of Christmas in July today. This is an extra little video to instruct you on how you will access your purchase of the Mega Christmas Book and Chest Digital Kit, either from Etsy or from Ko-fi. You will receive something that, well, not something, but you will receive this. It's a delivery page. The files for this kit are too large to upload onto Etsy or Ko-fi, so I had to come up with a secondary way for you to access the files. That way that I chose is Google Drive. So once you receive this is in PDF form, which means all of the links are active. So once you open this, to access your files, you're going to click on there. You will probably have a pop-up. Whatever it tells you to do, follow it. Mine is saying to leave the file and open it. So I'm going to open. And it takes me to googledrive.com. I just saw you, there you are. And there are the 3 files. You will click on, for instance, you'll click on Christmas in July booklet inserts. And, well, no, I don't want to click on those. I want to how do I do that? I can't remember. I just did this. Give me a moment. I am going to download. And down here, you'll see where it's downloading. So what I did is I clicked on the title. It gave me a drop down and I chose download. Sometimes you'll have a little thing up here that says download all. I'm going to give this just a second because then I want to show you there will be in my files, wherever your files are stored. This is an iPad, so it'll be different, but it will download to your files, just as if you were downloading your files off of Etsy or Ko-fi. All right, so now it asks me, do you want to download? And I say yes. And now I'm going to go to my files. And I'm done with that. And it's uploading those. I'm going to go here and on my iPad. And I'm going to search Christmas in July. And here are my inserts. And I can print them. Here are the covers and the accessories. I can print them. And here are the papers, and I can print them. So, once again, just follow what your computer tells you. It will be different than my iPad because each computer and each laptop and each computer that you have may give you different instructions, but just follow the links. Now let me go back to these also, if you click those, it will open YouTube and you'll be able to watch the videos right from there. Those links will work for you. So let's do play.
Most people have no clue that in
Oh,
2023,
don't you
the
love
best way to make
commercials?
money
I
on
am so
Amazon
sorry. I wish
is
I could
not
do it
with
without
physical-
commercials. But
Merry
here it
Christmas
is.
in July.
So
This is Pat with the...
I hope this was helpful. Please reach out to me should you encounter any difficulties. But the biggest tip I can give you is just follow what your computer is telling you to do to get to those Google Drive files. Thank you. I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.